Hello, YouTube. I want to play a game. So far, you fuck with your family. You fuck your life up. Now, you have to pay the ultimate price. So fucking pay attention. Because I'm only going to show you bitches once. One, don't fucking leave any bad comments. Two, I'll beat the shit out of you. I'll find out where you live. And three, I'll cut your cock off and sew it on your mom's ass. So, remember, live or die. Make your choice. The clock's ticking. Now, what do I do?
Anything you want.
What the hell is this mask made out of?